Hi kids, let's learn how to write alphabets. A. Look at the arrows carefully. Slide down. Slide down. Across. The next letter is B. Pull down from the top to middle around, then to bottom around. The next letter is C. Pull back to draw around. Now D. Pull down, then top to bottom, take around. Now the letter E. Pull down, across at the top, across middle, across at the bottom. Letter F. Pull down, across at the top, then middle. Now G. Pull back, around up, drag to bottom, across. Now H. Pull down, across, pull down. That's H. Now I. Pull down, across top, across at bottom. J. Across, pull down, round up. K. Pull down, slide up, and then slide down. That's K. L. Pull down, across at the bottom. M. Pull down, slide to middle, slide middle to top, pull down. That's M. N. Pull down, slide down, pull up. That's N. Now O. Take a complete round. That's complete O. P. Pull down. Take a round to middle. The next one is Q. Take a complete round. Then slide to right. Next one R. Pull down, take a round to middle, then slide right. Then S. Pull back in around and back around. T. Across, pull down. That's T. U. Pull down, round up and pull up. V. Slide down, slide to up. W. Pull down, slide to middle, from middle to bottom, and then up pull. That's X. Slide up, then another slide down. That's X. That's Y. Pull to middle, slide to up, and pull down. And the last letter Z. Across, slide down, across. In this manner, we can write alphabets correctly. Thank you for watching.